Your business doesn't need 1,000 clients. I keep seeing videos everywhere, podcast interviews about how an agency or a SaaS lands 1,000 clients or 2,000 clients, or how they onboarded 950 clients in a day. And that's fine, but that's not for you. Great for them. That is probably a death sentence for your business. Instead, what you need to do is this. A while back, a few years ago, I was running two businesses side by side. One of them had 1,120 clients, right? It was huge. It was a behemoth. And by all industrial standards was considered an enormous success and got me featured in lots of different places. And I had another business with about 15 clients, 15 paying monthly clients. I found that the business with 15 clients was more profitable, was more fun, was way less stressful, and they were almost two completely separate animals. The business with 1,000 clients, it was basically kind of our first ever software business where we sold like opt-ins to blog post companies. And what you have to remember is a business at that thing is they have this thing called a problem of scale. If you have one problem, roughly 10 to 20% of your customers will have the problem, which meant that at any point, 100 to 200 of our clients would have a problem. That's a lot of emails coming in. We had a big team, we had a support staff, we had a support network. And what we found is that this was a business that suffered from scale. And it's really, really common. In fact, this was the business that basically made me say, I don't want to do this anymore. And yet the business that had 15 clients was essentially one call a week. We had a VA who did almost all of the work with them. And it was exponentially less stressful and also way more profitable. The reason I'm telling you this is that if you want more income, chances are you're currently in a situation with your marketing agency where you need more income and you probably don't have a huge amount of recurring revenue. So the videos and the talks and the podcasts that talk about here's how to onboard 200 clients or 500 clients or 1,000 clients, all that's going to do is add enormous levels of stress to your business. What I want you to focus on is who would be 5 hyper profitable clients that you could work with today. Don't think about how can you onboard 100 or 200. Think about how you could onboard 5. Think about how you can onboard 1. Now, we have a program called Get 5 Clients that talks you through this process of finding your first 5 clients, charging anywhere from $200 to $300 to $400, $500, up to $2,000 a month. 5 clients paying you $2,000 a month is a 6-figure business, and it can be run with 1 phone call a week and relatively little overhead. What you need to stop doing is trying to pay attention to the tactics and the tools that the 1,000 client SaaS agency customer businesses use, and instead think about what is it that you need to do to sell 5 of them. It's a bit like reading books and watching videos on how to train for an ultra marathon and run 100 miles when you haven't even done 5K yet. Use the link down below to sign up to How to Get 5 Clients. It's your first 5 recurring revenue clients, like I mentioned, anywhere between like $200 and $2,000 a month. I found it way less stressful, and we also had more time to spend with our clients. If you want to learn more about the types of funnels and systems that we implement with those clients and how we get them results, you can go ahead and click this video right here.